DJI is stepping back into the spotlight with the anticipated Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone that's rumored to push boundaries further than ever. But is it a groundbreaking leap forward, or just a slight upgrade? Let's take a closer look at the potential improvements, from camera performance to flight features, and see if it's truly worth upgrading from previous models like the Mini 4 Pro. The Mini series from DJI has always impressed with high-end features packed into a lightweight design. With speculation swirling around the next-generation Mini 5 Pro, many are hoping for significant advancements in imaging technology, intelligent automation, and aerial stability. One of the most talked about upgrades is the camera system. Rumors suggest the inclusion of either a larger 1-inch sensor or an enhanced 3/4-inch alternative. This would likely deliver improved dynamic range, better low-light capability, and sharper image clarity. Additionally, the lens may be upgraded to a wider aperture or even offer variable settings, providing users with greater control in different lighting environments. On the video front, expectations are high for 4000 resolution at 60 frames per second, HDR support, and richer 10-bit color profiles, features that would make this drone a powerful tool for serious creators. AI-driven features like scene recognition and automatic framing are also in the spotlight, potentially elevating creative shooting modes to a whole new level. As for the release timeline, industry insiders expect the Mini 5 Pro to arrive towards the end of 2025 or early 2026, staying consistent with DJI's product cycle. Pricing could see a slight bump, with estimates placing the base model just under $10. If DJI bundles it with their premium RC controller, the total cost could rise significantly. Design improvements are also rumored. The drone is expected to have a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile while maintaining the under to 50-gram weight threshold. Lightweight, durable materials may help with wind resistance and heat management, and the foldable design is likely to remain with possible tweaks for better portability and durability. A redesigned remote controller might also be on the way, offering better ergonomics, more precise controls, and an improved overall flying experience. Battery life could be another highlight, possibly pushing past 40 minutes per charge. This would be achieved through more efficient batteries and smarter power usage. Enhanced charging options, such as a new hub for faster top-ups, are also rumored to be in development. Smarter features are expected to be a big part of this model, including improved gesture controls, real-time subject tracking, and automatic exposure adjustment. DJI's advancements in AI and computational photography could lead to smarter stabilization, better angle selection, and even automatic editing and cloud-based sharing. Building on the success of previous obstacle avoidance systems, the Mini 5 Pro may feature more refined sensors and AI algorithms to boost collision detection and tracking. These upgrades could make flying safer and simpler for everyone, from first-timers to seasoned pros. Improved auto return, enhanced waypoint navigation, and more intuitive flight paths would further support cinematic filming with minimal manual input, perfect for creators looking for that polished aerial look with less effort. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major contender in the compact drone space. With stronger imaging capabilities, smarter automation, longer battery life, and a sleek redesign, it could set a new standard for lightweight drones. Of course, the final verdict will depend on how well DJI balances innovation with accessibility and pricing. If everything pans out, this might just become the ultimate drone for travelers, vloggers, and aerial filmmakers.